Did you know that Casper Live actually has its own NFT and that you can use it to unlock access to the account transaction history export feature, a feature that is very handy to have around tax time? Let me show you how it works. First, go ahead and connect your Casper wallet to Casper Live. Then you're going to open your account dropdown up here and select Activity Export. There's going to be some information here telling you how exactly the account activity export works. You don't have to read that now because I'm going to take you through it step by step. Now you're going to go through this purchase wizard here. So this is where you're actually going to buy the NFT that allows you access to this feature. Go ahead and open the tokens dropdown. And the way that this works is there's a different token for each year of activity history that you want to export. So you can select multiple, or if you just want to look at your activity history, say for the current year, in this case, 2024, you can just select that. There is a small fee associated to the purchase of each token. And then you can continue on. There's a review screen here, so you can confirm exactly what you're purchasing and which account will receive the NFT, the actual token that you're purchasing, and then you go ahead and hit confirm and purchase. And then you need to sign to complete the transaction. Go ahead and sign. Okay, successfully submitted. So now I'm just going to wait for my NFT to arrive in my account. Go to the deploy detail page here. Okay, and then I can see that the status is still pending. And then if I go over here, go to NFT, and you can see now I have access to the Casper Live Plus subscription for 2024. So you can see right here in the description, grants access to premium features in Casper Live. So in this case, I have access to the activity export feature, so I can hit that now. And Casper Live automatically recognizes that I have that NFT. And so now you can see the interface changes, and I can actually now access the feature and generate my export. So I can break it down by year, quarter, or month. I can select, which month I want to export. If I want to do the whole year, I can do that as well. I can even choose the format. So if I'm working with a particular company, a product to help me with my crypto taxes, I can select that. So coin tracker is here. There's also a default Casper Live format here. And then I can hit request. And then I can put in my email here and hit sign and submit. And then what that will let me do is email an attachment of the activity export to the email address that I enter. And then that will give me that CSV that I can then use in whatever way I want. If I want to use it for processing taxes or for some other record keeping, it allows me to do that. And then if I ever want to purchase additional NFTs to get access to other years, I can select this option here and get back to the wizard screen. So wanted to show you that feature exists, and hopefully this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching as always.